In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your laptop or PC. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. From the menu that appears, click on Personalize. This will open the Windows personalization settings. Now scroll down a little and click on Background. Here you can choose the type of background you want: picture, solid color, slideshow, Windows Spotlight. If you choose Picture, scroll down and click on Browse. A File Explorer window will open. Just locate the image you want to use, select it, and click Choose Picture. Your wallpaper will update instantly. Optional, try other background types. You can switch between Picture, Slideshow, or Solid Color anytime. If you choose Slideshow, you can select a folder of images and Windows will rotate between them automatically. And that's it. Changing your wallpaper is super quick and helps refresh the look of your desktop. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more simple Windows guides. Thanks for watching.